Okay, I'm now here in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia, and the temperature outside is around -20. So um, I'll just show you how to dress up when going out in a -20 city. No? So this is my second time na lumabas, no, to go out and then to to dress up and walk around the city. So I will try to go to a mall. No? So it's about 15 minutes away. Medyo malapit-lapit lang siya. But I need to dress up and then uh, put layers of clothes para hindi ako ginawin. So to begin with, no, meron akong undershirt, black. This is my undershirt. And then I'll start with the bottom part. No? Yung bottom part ko, I have a thermal pants, thermal heat pants. No? So and then isa lang to, I have one. Then I will put another thermal heat pants. No? Okay, so dalawa na yung thermal heat pants natin. Pero meron na akong socks. No? Meron na akong socks sa feet ko ngayon. So, and then I will put my uh, sweatpants. No? Meron akong sweatpants na it's also 32 degrees, no? The same as my warmers, no? So 32 degrees din yung brand nito, sweatpants ko. Um, this is made in China. Okay. Okay. So this is my uh, lower body protection for weather. So, pero hindi naman ako pwedeng lumabas ng naka sweatpants, no? Kasi nga I need to be presentable outside. So but I'll be wearing a regular pants above my sweatpants. Okay? Okay. Okay. So this is my regular pants. Zip ko lang muna yung zipper. Okay. So, okay. So right below my regular pants, I'll be wearing a inner warmer, no? Inner body warmer. Naglagay lang niya ako ng sando for under for protection of my inner body. Pero black yung aking sando. So I've been using this warmer for maybe 3 days na. Hindi naman siya nadudumihan kasi nasa loob siya ng mga jackets. Okay? So sa labas kasi, the weather change. No? So sa umaga, it's about 27, -27. So today is -17. No? -17 ang temperature outside. So I'm protecting my body for -20, -17, no? Approximately -17. Pero it will go up to -20, mga 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock p.m. So kagabi, we went out. mga 6 o'clock PM, mga negative 21. Pero negative 21, pero it feels like negative 24. So medyo, pero nasa city ako, nasa city. So it means that it's colder outside the city. But I will not go outside the city. So I'm just staying here inside the Ulaanbaatar, city of Ulaanbaatar. So takin ko lang ng konti. Okay. I will now wear my, usually I wear long sleeve, no? Above my warmers, no? Pero since hindi naman ako meeting ngayon, I just wear a regular shirt, polo shirt. But this is ah, a thick, warm polo shirt. Makapal to. Dito manipis na shirt. So usually I use this shirt in tropical countries, no? During December. Pero I don't use this during the months of during the hot season kasi mainit din tong shirts na to for me sa tropical country. So this is my uh, my get up na for today. Medyo maluwag tong pants na to. No, luma na tong pants na to eh. Kaya medyo maluwag na sa akin. Nag-expand na siya. Dahil luma na siya. So I'll be wearing my first layer of sweaters or jackets. No? So palagi kong pinabatak yung aking thermal long sleeve because I need to protect this part. Dito pumapasok yung lamig. So this is my first layer of jacket. Okay. So hindi ko na sinal to kasi baka hindi ako masyado I might be suffocated. Pero itong suit ko na to, sasara natin yan. So I have my wallet here. I'll just get my cell phone later. Okay. Ito yung aking scarf, no? I use this scarf to protect my face, no? So ginagawa ko siya. Wala kasi akong dalang ski mask. So, pinagtsatsagaan ko muna to scarf. Maybe next time I'll just buy a ski mask. No? May protection ako na. So this will be going up pag nasa labas na ako. Okay? Tupi ko lang siyang ganyan. Then, I will wear this is a very thick jacket. Sweat jacket. So, yeah. So, as you can see, ito yung huling-huling layer na nilagay ko kasi meron siyang hood. No? Ito yung may hood. Kaya lang the problem is umaakyat tong aking this inner material is going up. Yeah. Okay. At least nahatak ko na siya. So I need to open up my watch para mamaya nakikita ko yung oras. Pero pagdating naman sa loob ng mall, I usually remove this black one. Ay, sorry. Wala pala yung aking head. So ito na ngayon yung yeah. So this is what you can see pag nandun ako sa mall. Pag tinanggal ko na yung jacket ko. And then, I will put this. This is my last layer of clothing. Okay? So, pag sa labas, kahit hindi ko na i-button up to, kahit isa lang, or isa lang pwede na. Kahit isa lang okay na. I-clip ko to mamaya sa labas. Kahit isang button lang pwede na. Okay? Bako muna to. Pero pag ginanon ko siya, I will have a cup, no? Pwede yung cup muna, and then, ganyan, no? Yan. Ganyan yung nakikita ko na style nila rito. Nasa loob yung, nasa ibabaw yung food, tapos yung cup. And then I have a uh, warmer for my hands. So, tinatakpan ko siya ng jacket para hindi pumasok yung lamig. Just like that. So, ganun din sa kabila. Kahit naman hindi siya ma-clip, okay lang kasi double-double naman sa loob. Kahit hindi mo siya ma-clip. And then, I will wear another socks, no? Pair of socks. And then wear my leather shoes, no? A sort of a working shoes na leather. Rockport, no? So, medyo warm din sa loob, no? Okay, so that's it. So I'll go out now, no, for a quick walk around Ulaanbaatar, maybe go to the mall or maybe go to the museum. Depende kung saan, kung if I feel warm enough, I can go to the museum. If I feel cold, I'll just go to the mall kasi mas malapit yung mall kaysa dun sa museum. Yung mall kasi is around 5 minutes, 7. The museum is around 18 minutes walk. So kung maglalakad ako, mga 20 minutes yun. So that will be, if I get in the middle of walking na lamigin ako, hirapan ako makabalik. So, yeah, this is my outfit for today. I'll be meeting. We don't have to dress this thick because meron kaming uh, service na sasakyan. So we just go out the hotel and then the service will pick us up and then go to our destination. Pero if I want to go out and look around, I need to warm up myself. Kasi wala akong sasakyan dito. Okay? See you. See you soon.